Hi, Tony here, and welcome to a video which for me has been a long time coming. Regular viewers to the channel and those that go back far enough will remember my Street Twin series of videos. That was followed up with a T100 build that we did for Motone Customs. But since then, I've been hankering after getting another project bike to build here in the garage. I did have a short list of bikes in my head. Obviously I could go back to doing something from the Triumph Modern Classic range. I'd looked at Royal Enfield. The BMW R90 was quite high on my list, and obviously used examples of those you can pick up at decent prices now. I did look at Honda. I looked at doing something maybe more modern and retrofying it. The biggest hurdle was obviously getting the project bike itself. I've been squirreling a little bit of money away. I've been putting some of my earnings from YouTube to one side so that I've got a pot, and then it was just a case of finding the right bike. And then this one came along and it was just too good a deal to turn down. So without stringing this out for any longer, let's take a look at what the new Man Cave Moto project bike is. Yes, it's the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. A bike that I mentioned before was on my list. It's something that I've been looking at quite closely for a while. I've always liked the looks of them, and they look like they're a really nice, easy bike to work with, but they've also got that classic retro styling. To start with, even just taking a lot of the standard parts off will make a big difference. Losing the big indicators, the mirrors, the fender extenders on the front and rear, grab rails, all that sort of stuff can come off very quickly and very easily and make a big change straight away. But it would be good to dig deeper. In terms of style of the bike, I've got an idea of where I want it to go. The last couple of bikes I've done, my Street Twin and the Motone T100, had a kind of scrambler, street scrambler, sort of desert sled vibe. So I want to move away from that this time. I think probably something like a Brat style, but I would really love you guys to get involved. I'd love to hear your ideas. So just in the comments down below, let me know if you had this bike sat there with a project, what you would do with it, and maybe we can incorporate some of those in there. But that would be great if I can get you guys involved, and I'd love to see what you would like to do with this Interceptor 650. As I already mentioned, the ethos behind this is to have a build that can be done pretty much by anybody in their shed or in their garage at home. Because the bike has been on the market for quite some time, I'm in a good position that there are plenty of third-party parts and accessory manufacturers out there. So I've got a nice big pool of accessories to go shopping in, and I think I can get this bike looking really sharp. The key for me is to simplify it, get rid of anything that doesn't need to be on there, trim it back as much as I can. I don't want to stick loads of Farkles on it. I just want to kind of get it looking good, sounding good. It's not a performance motorcycle at the end of the day, so I'm probably not going to worry about messing around with the engine. There won't be any power commanders or big bore kits. That's not really the point of these bikes. I want something that looks great, sounds great, and on a nice sunny day is a beautiful fun bike to go out and have a bimble around on. I do put a shout out on most videos for people to like and subscribe, but obviously if you want to follow along with the build for this, then hitting that subscribe button is going to help. It's going to mean that you get notifications when the new videos come through and you won't miss any of the episodes. But it also helps me because obviously in this game, the more subscribers you get, the more attention you get from manufacturers and other bits and pieces. So that helps to bring content out to you. So if you want to go ahead and hit subscribe, do that. That would be fantastic. Keep your eyes peeled for new episodes as they come through. I'll also be posting stuff on Instagram and probably on Facebook too. So until next time, thanks for watching. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.